Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Siva Gouda. I work for Eastern Institute of Technology. I'm talking to you today from Mr. Srinivas, my close friend, who is the director or owner of IV Overseas. They are one of our appointed agents. They are officially representing Eastern Institute of Technology in Hyderabad and other regions of Andhra. What is Eastern Institute of Technology? We are an ITP, that's the word that is generally used, Institute of Technology, based in New Zealand. We have two campuses, one is in Auckland and the other one is in Napier. What's our specialty? The specialty that we offer is practice-based learning. When you study in an institute of technology, you don't study your subjects. You don't mug up and write exams and pass papers. You learn skills. You learn how to do things. If you learn how to do things, you will have the skills, and therefore you will be in demand in the industry. You're all applying for a course or for study abroad, not for fun, not to spend your money, but to build a good career. How do you build a good career? Having good skills. You have good skills, good capabilities to showcase the skills, then you will get good jobs and you can do very well, which is what an Institute of Technology offers. We offer this in three key areas. We have a School of Business, a School of IT, and a School of Health Science, where we offer a range of bachelor degrees, 8 or 9 of them, and about 7 master's degrees. The top ones are Masters of Applied Management, Masters of Digital Business Management, Supply Chain Management, Wine Business Management, which is a unique program for New Zealand but has good value because it's a big industry in New Zealand, Masters of IT, and Masters of Health Science. These programs are all 1.5 years. They are offered in both our campuses in Auckland and Napier. We have 4 intakes. It's a very small class size. We generally don't take more than 25 students because it is practice based. You have to experience the program. It's not about reading a subject and writing an answer. Okay. In addition to these programs, we also have a lot of other training sessions that are designed to help you to understand the job market in New Zealand and how you can be successful there. EIT has developed a very good program which gives you an all-round ability, not only in developing the skills, but also developing yourself to be able to present well, to be able to interact with in the way that Kiwis and the New Zealanders want, so that you can get jobs and build your career. So come to EIT, come to IV, talk to them. Their counselors are fully prepped and trained. Srinivas is an expert counselor. Come to them, talk to them, come to EIT, and we will take care of your career. Good luck.